Sometimes some of these issues, I think...
Agicokia ciuria mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya maria maturigiceirie, Minister wa maria maturigiceirie Keriako Tobiko augite thirikari iraromanirira na aria megwatire icunje cia migunda mutito-ini wa Ngong'u mugaru na watho.
Any part of the forest that has not been degazetted is not available for allocation. And any purported allocation, whether by the president, whether by the Commissioner of Lands, is illegal, invalid, and null and void.
Mubunge wa Lang'ata Nixon Korir akirehe mateta ma aikari mbere ya kamiti ino augite aingi ao ni aria magurire icunje ici cia migunda na makiheo taito ciao ni thirikari kuria riu aingi maikarite na haho ya kuhofanirio na kumomorerwo cikaro ciao.
Na tugika process ira mundu thekaga ya search na kurora kana migunda ino ni yakuitwo the right way. Na twarora tugikiona ni sawa tuki-include our lawyers and the bank lawyer whereby matukituheire mortgage ya nyumba ici.
This is a humanitarian crisis by simply a pronouncement by the CS of environment, yet government can actually talk to each other.
No gutugukirio tukumwe tukaigwa the next day ati ni cira momoro tatwa yutisiri turaiga tuke turie thirikari ya Uhuru tuteithie.
In our petition that we presented to you, Mr. Chairman, there are examples of searches that were done. There are examples of titles that were issued by the institutions of government. And it will be wrong and will be setting a very bad precedent that even will scare investors away, that titles issued by this regime will be rubbished by the next regime.
Mwena-ini wake Tobiko augite matanya make ti kumomora miako iyo guku agitikira gukorwo na giikaro gatagati ga thirikari kamiti ya bunge ya maria maturigiceirie o undu umwe na aikari niguo gucaria kihonia kia ndũgamano ino.
The law allows KFS to issue leaseholds for 50 years, 100 years on terms and conditions. You have hotels in forest. You have establishments in forest, just like you have in national parks. So it is really upon those to come out and say, let's talk.
Ona gukire uguo Keriako ateterithitie ati kuri icunje ciegwatiirwo mugaru na watho mutito-ini wa Ngong'u na taito iria cire moko-ini ma andu taya citiratamburika.
It does not at all confer any property rights on anyone. And whoever purchases from the original holder is buying nothing.
Keriako arauga uthukangia wa mititu ni ucangiire haraya hari uthukangu wa riera na mibango ya thirikari gwicokeria migunda teno no iguthie na mbere icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.